Hi everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox the latest Cycplus AL7 Smart Tire Inflator. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, Cycplus sent me their latest Smart Tire Inflator. It is the AL7 version. It has the smart PSI measurement and you can use it for your car, your motorcycle, as well as your bicycle. And this is my Jaguar XKR 2011. It is a fast car, but the thing is, with this car, what I found out, sometime when I park it in the garage in the winter time, the tire pressure went down. Okay, so for example, this back tire, you know, in the winter time, before I drive it, I have to check it. The thing is, it's gonna give me the low tire pressure warning light. So the cool thing about this, you don't have to go to gas station anymore and use their coin tire inflator. You have it in the back of your car, and I think this is one of the most important tool that you have to have in your car at any time. The thing is, flat tire happen at, all the time, without warning. And the thing is, one time I got stuck in Tyson's Corner, Virginia without one of this, and man, it was a nightmare trying to find a gas station with tire inflator. Then when I found one, guess what? I didn't have any quarters, so I had to go inside, exchange my money, get some quarters, and finally I was able to inflate my tires. But anyway, let's unbox this one. This is really cool. Let's unbox it. I'm so excited. The thing is about this new tire inflator, it becomes smaller and smaller. If you have the old one, it's bulky and it's big. With this one, look at this size. And they become smaller and more powerful. Voila! And it has the handle. The cool thing about this, it has the USB charging port right there, where you can charge the unit. And then I think it has, and then the cable is right here, right there. And it comes with this manual right here. See that? It comes with the air hose, T-hose, Presta valve, ball needle, balloon nozzle. Actually, with the ball needle, you can use this for inflating like basketball or volleyball. Anyway, this is really good. It comes with the Type-C USB charging cable. I think it's all right here. See that? And then it's in the plastic, and that's the hose. Oh, look at this. It's so small. I like this. I think for a car, we're gonna use this one right here. And then let's check my PSI right here. Look at that. You just have to connect this. Hold on. Has to be straight, otherwise it won't fit. Like that. When it's tight, we just plug it in, then lock it, and the power button is right. Oh, this thing comes with a flashlight too. If you're stuck in the middle of the night, you need light. See, this is the power button, and that's the flashlight button. So you see, now you can use it at night. And look at this. Now the PSI of this car is the 35 right now, and 35.5. So I can, this one is, let's put it at 39, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and choose car. When it is 39, it's gonna start to slow down. See that? Isn't that cool? You set it up at 39 and then it's just turn itself off. Then you can unplug it. Since this one is 39 psi, I'm gonna go to the other one. With this high profile tire, yeah, you have to put it at around 38 to 39. A low profile tire, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure both sides is the same psi. I'm gonna lock it right there. This one is actually it's already at 39 already. No, at 40. So what I need to do, it's okay. Yes, I can just leave it there. I can lose some. There you go. And then I can check it again. Ah, it's okay. It's close enough. So yeah, so both tires have the same, almost the same psi. So we're good to go. Yeah, this is really nice, guys. Did you see how fast it is? It's small and it is super fast. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can buy it, and it's really affordable, and this is a must-have for your car. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Bye.